Hi, this is Jeff Connor from goSmart Lighting. Welcome back. This is the next tutorial we have in our series of videos. This particular one will help you configure your ECO1 application that you will download from your App Store. At this stage, we'll assume that you've already connected your gateway as explained in the previous video. We've got a little video here that we can show you of what the light should look like. So we'll have a look at that now. Okay, so now you should have your gateway set up and two solid lights on as per that little clip there. Now it's important that once you have downloaded your app, you've connected your gateway, you're ready to start pairing. It's important that you switch your phone to the local Wi-Fi network. Okay, so do that and make sure you don't see 3G, 4G at the top of the screen, because that's probably saying that you haven't done that step yet. That's important. When you open your app, in most circumstances, the app will find the gateway for you. Okay? So if it does say new gateway found, give it a name. It doesn't really matter what the name is. Call it home, call it by your first name, whatever you like. Keep it short, keep it simple, but it needs to be a word. Once you have given the gateway a name, it will ask you if you want to bind that gateway to all your spaces. You can now go ahead to your App Store, download your app. The first thing you should see on the app is a screen that shows you the first room or space with the default photo. Have a look at that now. Okay, so that's what the first screen looks like. What we're going to do here, we're going to add a lighting control device to this room, and then we're going to match some of your smart lights to that lighting control and do a bit of a test. First things first, on that screen you're looking at now, press the Add button. Okay, and what we're going to do here, we're going to look for a thing called lighting control, and the screen looks like this. Okay, so once you've selected the lighting control, you'll need to give it a name. For me, I've just called it First Light, but you can call it whatever you like. And then select Done when you're ready. You can now see that a lighting control device has been added to your room. The next step is to match your lights to this lighting control. So click your lighting control, and this is what screen you should see next. Now click Match next to the first button, and this is what you should see. Now go ahead and turn your light switch off if it's not already, and then turn it back on. You should find that your lights flash slowly 3 times, and then you can press the back button on your app, like this. So now we're going to test that matching that we've just done by opening up that lighting control and press the on and off button down the bottom left hand corner, which is for zone 1. And you should find that your lights that you've matched now operate via the app. So now you can continue to add other lighting controls to other rooms. You can add more rooms. What's really important here is that you add a lighting control and give it a name, because that name is going to be used later on in scenes. So the more lighting controls that you add to your app, the more control you will have over individual groups of lights. So think about a lighting control as a logical group. Once you use that lighting control within a scene, all those lights associated to that lighting control will operate when you either execute that lighting control in an on or off execution. Well, I hope that video was helpful for you to better understand how to match lights to lighting controls within your ECO1 app. Continue to add more lights and match them to lighting controls, add more rooms, because the next video we're going to be looking at is the creation of scenes. See you then.